The 2011 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, cruise control, four-wheel ABS, floor mats, FWD, side airbag, power locks, power windows, child-proof rear door locks, security package, tachometer, brake assist, air conditioning, folding rear seats, airbags, vehicle stability assist, daytime running lamps, power mirrors, cloth seat trim, power outlets. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.